Hello, today I'm doing a shooting test on my JG Bar 10 that I got from e-bike, and I have a scope on it, and it's pretty much a fully built gun. I left the hop-up the same, just the stock hop-up that it came with, but the cylinder is upgraded, and there's Action Army parts, pistons, springs, and spring guides inside there. And I just have a cheap scope on it right now. Today we're going to be doing a shooting test. And if y'all can see underneath that ladder, actually no, I'm not going to be shooting at that. There's a blue tub right over there, and that's what I'm going to be shooting at. I'm going to zoom out so maybe y'all can see the BB when it goes. That's about 45 or 50 yards away. That was off a little to the right. That was a hit. That was a hit. That was another hit. And it's shooting probably between 450 and 480 FPS, because I have an Action Army M150 spring in it, and one of the orange Action Army pistons, and just a regular metal spring guide. That was off to the left. That was another hit. 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 No, I put a little less hop up to see how much it affects it. That was still a hit. So this gun is shooting very accurately. That was another hit. So I'm hitting the target almost every single time that I shoot. Now I'm out of ammo. That's about all for this video. It's a really good gun for airsoft snipers, and it was a really good price tag on it too. And I just invested a little money on aftermarket parts, and overall it's a very accurate and powerful gun. That's all for this video. Goodbye.